Jesus Christ. Alright, morning fam. It's like what time now? It's about like 8? Yeah, around 8 o'clock. I'm gonna try to do videos this early. Oh, it's actually 9. Still early. I'm gonna try to do videos this early. But I woke up, thanks be to God, right? And I see this video for IG. I'm say, yo, I have to react to it. And it's not a music video really and truly. It's a video with this guy getting chased by a lion. Yeah. One lion run down brother man. So I don't know exactly what to do already. Like, share, subscribe. And I'm going ahead and see exactly what this is about. Now, the video at the start, Jesus Christ, you can't say that morning. Oh, God damn it. Alright, so the video at the start and may I look for one little lion, right? This one cub. You see me? So let's see exactly how this is going to play out. Let's see here. Okay, so the little cub run from him. Oh! Okay. When you see that I put it up right there so. And I stop it right there so you can see it. Alright, everybody can see the cub, right? I make sure this extremely big when me. See it there? See it a step towards him? Yes. You. Really, dog? Holy yes, the lion is so scared and understands you. Why so like him try to intimidate the lion? What kind of noise that him make? Like why? Why? Me not keep shut. Like me not. Maybe my survival instincts not up like that. When lion come towards you, make more noise. I'm gonna research that. So I come fucking clown. No, him just want somebody breakfast this man. Oh shit. Okay. Alright. What you do? You can't do that. Jesus Christ! Oh God. Me put them a sweat. Shit. You see that pound there? It pop. Jesus Christ.
Get the away!
Dog, are you wrong, dog?
Holy
It a follow you.
Holy Go! No!
Jesus Christ,
No.
God Almighty.
Go away! Please go away!
You stop back now. Initially, no. Like my son, damn King Kong gorilla. No, all of a sudden, please go. Oh God, we not big front start still. You better like understand. We not big front start. The line looks small though.
Holy Go away!
Yeah, this is my turn back now.
Holy
My turn back.
Go away!
Now turn back.
Go away!
So the line just dip on road so. Like I said, them see just which part him there? Where is he? Well, he got exactly you gone friggin' hiking. This time why you got Jano? See? Jano. Jano.
You're good. You're good, little kitty cat.
You just call the cat little kitty cat, brother. Well, yes, he looks small compared to me, but you are sitting in a real size and you call it little kitty. Where you trying to make him just vex? Like if I say, oh, may I show you little? Oh God, these niggas are crazy. This just, what would I do? Me can't be someone that climb a tree, cause they Lord God Almighty, no, I'm stressed out.
Oh. Holy. What's up, dude? Oh. Holy.
I panic, you know?
Nice and slow. Come on. Ah!
Really, brother, you not do that.
Roar! No. No. I'm being scary.
You're being
I'm
scary.
being-
You're being scary. Alright.
Go away. Go away.
It's a growl, you
Go
know?
away. Go get your babies. I'm not coming back down, I promise.
Yo, that you tell bad, rate him. I was like, hey, let's go get your baby then. Me not come back down there, me promise. See, just go on. Go on, get your baby then, man. I'm good, me listen. Go on now. Please. You can hear
Holy.
the lion growl.
Holy. Babies.
No.
And mama got to be right there, don't they?
Exactly, cause you idiot. How you don't know that?
Dude, you're scary. You're
Not
you're
a
a
follow
kitty
me.
cat.
Tell her drag on the ground to box, okay, tell her.
Holy. No, go away. Go away.
Remember my scary video me the review this way worse. Thank God I don't that much this. Come down dead. Who that? Let me see here, man. You see how it's just take off a while ago?
No. No. You, dude.
He just
Holy.
said, no. We are try to piss it off more.
Gosh. Where's my gun?
Oh, smart nigga, but you don't have one, do you? Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. Go on
Okay.
hike home.
This is when
Sit we can have a talk.
No.
You hate when you do that. Why am I do that? Why can I do that? I saw they run. What kind of sit run so? That's not normal. You probably retired that. Nothing to run so or post. Who runs like this? Which animal runs like that? I don't. Like how many know animals run them pounce up and back and the front foot them go so. Not what is? When I try to jump and hug him up to blood? What?
No. Get the away. Stupid kitty cat. Holy, come on, dude. I don't feel like dying today. Ah. Go get your babies. Ah.
That put a say if you mention the baby them one more time, me kill you in a pussy. Cat.
No. Go away. Go away. Go away. No, you dude. Trying to attack me, you guys look away from you. Dude. What do you want me to do? Come on.
Why you call him?
Come on.
So I push no say come on in, come. Like a Jerry.
Oh, stupid.
Yeah, you
This
stupid.
sucks. This is scary. My heart is racing.
No shit.
Dude. Okay. This is not fun. Go get your babies. Go away. Oh. Damn. I just wanted to go on a run.
How far is that for
Come
them?
on, dude. Come on, dude.
Stone work against cat. Like you know, you some big Rottweiler and big pitbull, and you dip like you're going to stone and then run back. Then I work with them sitting here, though. Cause them would probably try though. But I get me, I get me, I'm probably dead. But when I try to dip down stoners and I fling after him, probably then he would have. I don't even know. Stress out.
Go eat your babies. You're not getting me, dude.
Where's it go eating babies?
I'm ready to go down.
I drop it, I drop. No drop. Are you drop it?
Yeah, get the away from me.
Oh. You see?
Nice.
Me tell you no. Me tell you no. You see?
Oh,
You
damn
done
it. Okay. Yeah, so that just happened. Wow. You see that? Oh, some will come actually. Holy cow. Holy cow. Yeah, not going back that way.
Hello. Yo. Yo. Muda live, you know. Because Muda dip like me a throw stone a long time, you know. Muda alright. You know, you probably get a stone name for it too. You see me, cause, yeah. You see me? Enough dog me here, you know. Only get bite 2 times. Alright, enough time dog rush me. So do the maths. I don't know what the hell Muda do for real though. Muda remember some have hand possibly. At least the man still couldn't record. You know, peeps, just have to do that one, yeah. You know, like, share, subscribe. You know, me work on the song them too, you know. Jesus Christ.